7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Certainly when you go through the launch day preparations, there's a lot of moments that kind of stand out to you.
When the engine's light, you know you are going, and you know you're going somewhere pretty fast. When the engine shut off, you go from 3 Gs to 0 Gs instantaneously, and things start floating. And I remember distinctly just thinking, what just happened?
Same thing happens when you get to space station. It's kind of a defining moment when you get the hatches back open. By sharing this experience with SpaceX and creating another partner that has the same capability, I think we really set the future up to continue to blossom.
This will be the first time humans have ridden on the Falcon 9, even though it's flown many, many times. And so just taking in that experience and the sounds and all those things that we can relate to future crews is going to be something important to do too.